In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Nexcess PHP files, which is especially helpful for beginners who are navigating the world of web development. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into the Nexcess client portal. This is your main hub for accessing and controlling your hosting environment. Once you've logged in, navigate to nexcess.net. From there, look for the access point to the file manager. This is where you'll manage all your website files. Inside the site dashboard, click on File Manager. Alternatively, for those who are more advanced and familiar with coding practices, you can use SFTP or SSH to gain access. These methods provide a more direct and sometimes more efficient way of managing files. Although for beginners, using the File Manager is perfectly sufficient. Next, you want to navigate to the WordPress root folder. Usually you'll find this under the directory named public HTML. This is a common setup as it contains all your core PHP files necessary for WordPress to function. Within this directory, you'll notice files such as index.php, wp-config.php, and wp-settings.php. Each of these plays a crucial role. For example, index.php is the main entry file of your WordPress site, while wp-config.php handles the database configuration, and wp-settings.php manages the overall WordPress setup. If you're looking to edit theme or plugin PHP files, you'll need to focus on the WP content directory. Within here, you'll find folders for both themes and plugins. By navigating into the themes directory, you can select your active theme and locate its PHP files. Similarly, the plugins folder contains directories for each plugin installed on your site. It's important to ensure that any changes you make here are done cautiously, given these files impact how your website looks and functions significantly. For those who prefer using SFTP or SSH, connect to your server using the host address provided by Nexcess. Once connected, you can directly access and edit PHP files using your preferred text editor. Remember, making and editing files in this environment is speedy and efficient, but should be approached with care to avoid any inadvertent issues. Always ensure to back up files before making any edits. This safety measure helps you restore if an error occurs. You can use the file manager's built-in editor for changes or download a copy of the file to edit locally and re-upload once done. As we wrap up, remember, making changes to your PHP files affects your WordPress site directly, so it's crucial to verify these changes through the WordPress admin. By going to Tools, then Site Health, you can check your server information